Welcome to another Todd's 2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday. Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and/or certified inspector. So let me set the stage for you. Your wife's in the bathroom and she's blow drying her hair. You're over there brewing some coffee and you decide to take some Jimmy Dean sausage and throw it in the microwave. As soon as you hit the buttons and hit start, all the power goes out. You ever have that happen to you?
I sure have. Let me tell you, that isn't fun at all.
Oh, hey, Mr. Cooper, how you doing?
I saw you here horsing around. I thought I'd come in here. You weren't
Horsing
working,
around.
were you?
No, I'm giving some 2-minute tech tips.
Oh,
You want to help out with that?
no.
Okay.
Well, I was just kind of going over your course review.
Course?
The surveys that
Can I
came
see
in.
these?
No, you might want a pay raise or something. You know, we can't let that happen. Let's not get this thing out of hand, okay? I just want you to know you're doing a good job. Press forward, make things continue to happen. People are happy with what the information you're getting, Todd. Thank you.
Appreciate it. So if you had that happen to you, then you have a power problem. So let's talk about this. All RVs come with limited power. It's not like your house where you can just plug into almost anything and have power. This is more like your checkbook. You may have quite a few checks in there, but you don't have enough money to cover all those checks. Same thing for our RVs. It comes with limited power. The consideration, what we're really looking at is the difference between our 30 amp and our 50 amp service. There's a lot of confusion out there what takes place. People think I'm only getting 20 additional amps. But let me go ahead and go over some numbers with you, and hopefully my editor can keep up with you, right? Because we want some numbers over here instead of me just saying it. So we're gonna put the challenge on him, all right? So what I want you to do is I want you to cross your hands like this. What I'm gonna do is give you a little math problem. I'm gonna say volts times amps equals watts. So if I cross my hands like this, you see the V right here? That's the V. You see the A down here? That's the A, that's for amps. So volts times amps equals watts. If I tell you that a 30 amp service only gives you 3,600 watts, a 50 amp service will give us 12,000. Some of you may be saying, well, wait a minute, Todd, hold the phone. 50 amps times 120 is what you were talking about. Well, that's only 6,000 watts. But on a 50 amp service, you get 2 legs.
2 legs.
So if you're looking for something that gives you more creature comforts of your home, you may want to look at the 50 amp. If you're a minimalist and you can get away with just having a coffee pot and no AC, because of course all RVs have wheels, then you may want to consider that 30 amp. But if you don't know, you may want to go ahead and consider going with that 50 amp because you're probably used to using far more power than you're aware of. So looking at the Pedestal here, one little tip I want to leave you with is if you have a 30 amp service, you can go ahead and get an extension cord, plug in the 20 amp and run something else. What I don't want you to do is if you have a 50 amp service, you're gonna have limited power over here if you're using all of that 50 amps. If you wanna be able to fix 80% of the problems on your RV, check out our home study course at the nrvta.com website. If you'd like to earn an income and create a business while on the road, check out our website at nrvta.info, fill out the form, and start your business today.
She's blow drying her hair.
She's blow drying her hair. Okay, it's in the morning time. Your wife is in there curling her hair. Well, let me set the stage again. Your wife's curling her hair because she wants to look pretty.
She's blow drying her hair.
That sucks. Okay, so let me set the stage for you. Your wife's in the bathroom curling her hair. Dang it, I said it again. Let me set the stage for you. Your wife's in the bathroom. She's blow drying her hair. Yeah! Yeah. Okay, George Foreman could work too because it's electric. Cook some bacon on your, what do we call those things? I don't want to say that because I'm going to get killed for that. You're over there cooking coffee and you throw some Jimmy Dean sausage in the microwave.
You said cooking coffee.
Did I say?
Yeah.
You're cooking some coffee. That would have been good. Hey, I just drink it. I don't cook it.
Well, what are you going to tell them now?
Oh, well, I don't know. I'm just kind of making it up as I go.
So what can I do for you?
Get out of my shot.
Okay.
What you do is you find your neighbor's got 30 amps and you take your extension cord, go plug in over there.
I'm lost.
It's all there. It all makes sense. You slow it down.
Thank you, folks.